Hello students, welcome to Exam Vidya Academy. We should consistently do hard work for getting more achievement and more success throughout the life. Today is 26th March 2021. In this video, we are going to conduct a quiz related to current affairs of today. Apart from current affairs, my channel also provides various study materials for many competitive exams. So, if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my new videos. My channel is very helpful for you if you are preparing for any competitive exams. Let us start from the first question. Which nation indigenously developed its first satellite? Challenge 1. These are the options. What is the correct option? The correct option is Tunisia. Next question is, under Gram Ujjwala scheme, which has been launched in Uttar Pradesh, government offers the world's cheapest LED bulbs at. These are the options. What is the correct option? The correct option is rupees 10. Now the question is, Russia launches 38 satellites for how many countries? These are the options. What is the correct one? The correct option is 18. Which farmers union has called for Bharat Bandh on March 26, 2021? The correct option is the Samyukta Kisan Morcha. Next question is, NASA Curiosity rover has shared stunning video footage of Earth-like clouds passing over Mars when this rover was landed over the Mars. Options are given now. What is the correct option? 2012. Next question is, PM Modi will be visiting the neighboring country Bangladesh for 2 days on March 26 and 27, 2021 in the connection with the commemoration of which highly significant event. Options are Mujib Barso, Golden Jubilee celebration of diplomatic ties between India and Bangladesh, Golden Jubilee celebration of Bangladesh War of Liberation. All three options are correct. Now the question is, which country said that it was formally opposed to the Quad alliance consisting of the US, India, Australia and Japan? These are the options. What is the correct option? The correct option is China. Parliament on 25th March 2021 passed a bill to set up the National Bank for Financing Infrastructure and Development to fund. These are the options. Which option is correct? Infrastructure projects in India. The next question is, the Supreme Court on 25th March directed governments of Punjab, Haryana and others to maintain status quo on supply of Yamuna river water to which state till March 26th? These are the options. The correct option is Delhi. Now the question is, rare Vincent van Gogh's painting sold for million in Paris. These are the options. The correct one is $15.4 million. Who said there will be military cooperation among the member nations of the Quad, but it will not be a military alliance like NATO. These are the options. The correct option is Army Chief General M.M. Narawane. Pfizer Biotech launched COVID-19 vaccine trial in children. The correct option is under 12. Next question is, India and Bangladesh are expected to sign at least how many memorandums of understanding during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's 2-day visit to the country? These are the options. What is the correct one? The correct one is 5. Now the question is, Jammu and Kashmir has contributed more than rupees 17 crore as part of a nationwide campaign to collect funds for. These are the options. You have to tell the correct answer. The correct option is the Ram Temple in Ayodhya. Now the question is, legendary singer Asha Bhosle to be honored with which award? You have to tell the award's name. The correct answer is Maharashtra Bhushan. The US and Britain announced sanctions against a huge military-owned conglomerate in which country? These are the options. The correct option is Myanmar. Asia's largest tulip garden opens for public. Formerly known as Siraj Bagh, the Indira Gandhi Memorial Tulip Garden, located in which state of India? You have to tell the state's name. Options are given here. The correct option is Jammu and Kashmir. 100 CBI searches on 26th March 2021 across how many states in bank fraud cases? You have to tell the states numbers. The correct number of states are 11 states. Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant General Manoj Sinha launches a radio program project to connect with people of the Union Territory. You have to tell the radio program's name. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is Awam Ki Baat. Now the question is, over 700 Myanmar refugees seeking shelter in which state in India? You have to tell the state's name here. The correct answer is Mizoram. From India, who has bagged gold in women's 25-meter pistol team event in ISSF World Cup? Options are Manu Bhakar, Rani Sarnowat, Chinky Yadav. All are correct. Rachel Levine, the first openly transgender person, was confirmed by the US Senate on 24th March 2021 to become. These are the options. Assistant Health Secretary. Please like and share my video and subscribe to my channel.